Career suffixes. How not to offend a professional. Today we are going to work with the suffixes ER, OR, and IST. ER can be merged with a word that connects to their work. For example, cartography is the creation of maps. Cartographer is the map maker. A person who makes clocks becomes a clockmaker. Here are some jobs and interests that use ER. Cartographer, catwalker. That means someone who walks the catwalk as a model, not someone who walks cats. Climber, driver. Miner, hunter. Clockmaker, shoemaker. Officer, painter. Photographer, porter. Teacher, weaver. Writer, diver. Runner, shooter. Singer, surfer. Armorer, biographer, boater, carpenter. However, there are almost as many occupations ending in OR. Director, writer, curator, illustrator, tailor, sailor, decorator, actor, navigator, prospector, janitor, solicitor, sculptor, operator, surveyor, orator. When people in other countries think about Canadian jobs, do they imagine stereotypes? Lumberjack, trapper, fisherman, Royal Canadian Mounted Police? There are several Canadian places named after traditional jobs. Baker Brook, New Brunswick, Gardeners Creek, New Brunswick, Hunter's Home, New Brunswick, Miller's Lake, Nova Scotia, and Miners Bay, Ontario. Currently, only 2% of Canada's workforce work in traditional jobs. However, you'd be hard-pressed to find a town named wholesale trader or real estate agent. Did you notice RCMP, fisherman, and lumberjack don't end with ER or OR? There are other suffixes you can use for occupations and activities. IST is one other way. Let's look at some of those. Dentist, geologist, scientist, canoeist. Some use keeper, groundskeeper, lighthouse keeper, barkeeper, sometimes shortened to barkeep, and zookeeper. Some use man, milkman, postman, boatman, brakeman. Because women can hold any job a man can, the use of man is discontinuing. For example, mailman becomes letter carrier or postie. Fireman woman is now firefighter. Policeman woman is now police officer. Salesman woman is now salesperson. Waiter, waitress is now server. In some instances, both male and female professionals are now called by the previously male term. For example, actor, author, aviator, comedian, hero. It's best to stay away from outdated terms that use man. Use gender-neutral terms. Don't just learn whether to use OR, ER, or IST. It's great to learn how to spell professionals correctly, but it is equally important not to use offensive or out-of-date terms. The English language is not only complicated, it is always changing and evolving. So it's important to keep learning. If you feel this video helped you in any way, please like, subscribe, and make a comment. See you next time.